Did you know that by the age of 35, approximately 2/3 of American men will experience some degree of noticeable hair loss? And it's not just men. Women make up 40% of hair loss sufferers. These striking statistics might come as a surprise to many. Hair loss, a condition that was once associated primarily with aging men, is now a widespread issue affecting both genders and various age groups. The implications of this condition reach far beyond mere aesthetics. It has a profound impact on an individual's self-esteem, often leading to social anxiety, depression, and a significant decrease in the overall quality of life. What's more intriguing is that hair loss isn't just about losing strands of hair, it's a reflection of what's happening beneath the surface. It's like a mirror that reflects our lifestyle, genetics, and overall health. Speaking of genetics, it plays a significant role in hair loss. If your parents or grandparents experienced hair loss, chances are you might too. However, genetics isn't the only culprit. Stress, a common element in our fast-paced lives, can also contribute to hair loss. Prolonged periods of stress can disrupt the normal hair cycle, leading to shedding and thinning hair. And then there's the issue of nutrition. Just as our bodies need a balanced diet to function optimally, our hair needs certain nutrients to grow and remain healthy. A diet lacking in essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins can lead to hair loss. But here's the good news. Hair loss isn't necessarily a life sentence. It can be managed and, in some cases, even reversed. You see, our hair is a reflection of our overall health. If we take care of our bodies, our hair will follow suit. So, what can you do about it? The answer lies not in expensive treatments or miracle cures, but in simple, everyday habits and dietary changes. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Did you know spinach is a superfood for your hair? Right. That leafy green, often relegated to the side of your plate, is actually a powerhouse of nutrients, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining the health and vitality of your hair. Let's start with iron. Spinach is chock full of this essential mineral. Why does it matter? Well, iron helps red blood cells deliver oxygen to all cells in the body, including those of the hair follicles. This oxygen supply is vital for hair growth and regeneration. When our bodies are low on iron, one of the first places it shows is in our hair, leading to hair loss and dull strands. But don't worry, spinach has got you covered. But that's not all. Spinach also boasts an impressive array of other nutrients, all of which contribute to that luscious mane you're after. One of these is folate, a type of B vitamin that helps create red blood cells. Remember how we said those carry oxygen to your hair follicles? Yep, folate is essential in that process. And let's not forget about vitamins A and C. Vitamin A helps the skin glands produce sebum, an oily substance that moisturizes the scalp and keeps hair healthy. Meanwhile, vitamin C is vital for the absorption of iron and the production of collagen, a protein that strengthens hair. Without enough vitamin C, your hair can become brittle and prone to breakage. In a nutshell, spinach is a hair superfood, providing a cocktail of nutrients that your hair needs to stay healthy and strong. Whether you choose to toss it into a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or sauté it as a side dish, incorporating more spinach into your diet can help promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. Before continuing, make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video to help the community grow. Ever thought sweet potatoes could help your hair? Well, think again. Sweet potatoes are not just meant for holiday feasts. They're a year-round friend to your hair. The magic of sweet potatoes lies in their rich beta-carotene content. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that turns into vitamin A once it's inside our bodies. And why does our hair love vitamin A? Vitamin A is a superstar when it comes to maintaining our hair health. It's like that friend who always shows up when you need them the most. In our bodies, vitamin A takes on the role of a faithful caretaker. It aids in the production of an oily substance called sebum. Now you might be wondering, why would our scalps need an oily substance? Well, sebum is not just any oily substance. It's a natural conditioner produced by our bodies. It moisturizes our scalp, keeping it healthy and hydrated. When our scalps are well nourished, they provide a supportive environment for our hair to grow. But that's not all. Vitamin A also plays a crucial role in the growth and differentiation of cells, including the cells of our hair. In other words, it's like the backstage crew in a theater production, working tirelessly to ensure that everything runs smoothly. Without enough vitamin A, our hair can become dry and brittle, much like a plant without water. However, like with all good things, moderation is key. Too much vitamin A can lead to hair loss. But don't worry, it's hard to overdose on vitamin A from diet alone. The amount you get from foods like sweet potatoes is just right. So let's salute the humble sweet potato, the unsung hero in our quest for luscious, healthy hair. It's more than just a tasty side dish. It's a powerful ally, packed with the nutrients our hair needs to thrive. Next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some sweet potatoes. Avocado isn't just for toast and guacamole, it's also a hair hero. Now that might sound a bit surprising, but let's delve into the science behind it. Avocados are nature's treasure trove of vitamin E. This vital nutrient plays a significant role in enhancing blood circulation. And why is that important? Well, it's all about your hair follicles. These tiny structures in your scalp are responsible for hair growth. When blood circulation in the scalp improves, these follicles work more efficiently, promoting healthier and faster hair growth. So, in essence, vitamin E is like a personal trainer for your hair follicles, helping them to perform at their best. But that's not all. Avocados are also packed with essential fatty acids. These aren't just any fats, they are essential because our bodies cannot produce them. We have to get them from our diet, and avocados are an excellent source. These essential fatty acids are key building blocks in the body. They help to create the skin's natural oil barrier, crucial in keeping your skin hydrated and plump. Now you might be asking, what does skin hydration have to do with hair? Here's the connection. A healthy, hydrated scalp creates the perfect environment for hair to grow. When your scalp is well moisturized, it helps to keep your hair healthy and prevents it from becoming dry and brittle. So let's put all this together. Avocados, with their rich supply of vitamin E and essential fatty acids, not only improve your scalp's health but also promote efficient hair growth. They essentially help create a nurturing environment for your hair to thrive. And the best part? Avocados are not only healthy, but also versatile and delicious. You can incorporate them into your meals in numerous ways: salads, smoothies, or even as a healthy snack. So consider adding more avocados to your meals for the sake of your hair. Because as we've discovered, these green gems are more than just a tasty treat. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that your hair will thank you for. Eating right is a huge step towards preventing hair loss, but let's not forget about healthy habits. When it comes to maintaining the health of your hair, it's not just about what you eat. It's also about your lifestyle and daily habits. First and foremost, regular exercise is essential. Working out doesn't just keep your body fit, it also improves blood circulation in your body, including your scalp. This increased blood flow helps deliver essential nutrients to your hair follicles, promoting growth and strength. Next, let's talk about hydration. Our bodies are about 60% water, and this includes your hair. Drinking an adequate amount of water each day helps to keep your hair hydrated from the inside out, making it less prone to damage and breakage. So, don't forget to keep that water bottle handy. Now, on to stress. It's no secret that high levels of stress can have a negative impact on our bodies, and this includes our hair. Chronic stress can lead to conditions like telogen effluvium, where hair prematurely enters the shedding phase. So, how can we combat this? Activities like meditation or yoga can help reduce stress levels, leading to healthier hair. Lastly, let's not overlook the importance of a good night's sleep. While we're sleeping, our bodies are hard at work repairing and regenerating cells, including those in our hair follicles. So, getting enough sleep is vital for maintaining healthy hair. In conclusion, maintaining healthy hair isn't just about what we put on our plates. It's also about taking care of our bodies through regular exercise, adequate hydration, stress management, and getting enough quality sleep. Remember, your hair is a reflection of your overall health, so eat well, live healthy, and let your hair shine.